lovelies. I'm off work today, and my daughter is at preschool for a few hours, so I got back a little bit ago from dropping her off. So I'm going to try to tidy up her room while she's at school. So let's see what we can get done in about an hour. So yeah, let's get to it. As you can tell, my daughter's room is a disaster area. So yeah, this is what we are going to be tackling today.
Standing in the shadows of where we have been, sleeping with your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been in two places all at once. What's that what we said would come undone? Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright. 'Cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, 'cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Yeah. I think about you and I want you here with me. Am I out of my mind, or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love, so just tell me if I'm wrong. But it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you.
got her room done, so it's not perfect, but you know, it's at least done for now, and I still have about half an hour before I have to run and go pick her up. So I got it all done in time. But yeah, later this spring, during one of my vacations, I believe, we're gonna go ahead and paint her room. She wants a pink room, and then we're also going to give her a bigger bed because, you know, she's a big girl now. She's 5, so she's gonna get a full-size bed because her bed does turn into a full size. So we're gonna do that later this spring, and I will take you guys along with me when that happens. But that is all for this video today. If this is your first time here on my channel, I hope you will hit that subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join my little YouTube family. And with that, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye, guys.